friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set alarm and ringtone on poco phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Firstly, here you can move on setting. Okay, if there is setting, if there is no option for the clock. Okay, if there is the clock for you, just tap on the clock. Okay, when you tap on the clock, if you want to set the alarm, what you need to do is that you may find this plus option. Okay, just tap on this plus option. Firstly, the option should be here. Okay, on this option of alarm. Okay, after that, just tap on this plus. When you click on the plus, if you want to set the alarm on 5 o'clock, okay, or 6 o'clock, okay, see, you can select the minutes 6 o'clock, 2 minutes or 3 minutes, am or pm. You can select it. Okay, morning or daytime. Okay, after that you can select the ringtone also for the alarm. This is the ringtone. Just tap on the ringtone. After you have been tap on the ringtone, if you are online, you can select from here. Okay, if your net is on, then you can select online ringtones. Here is the online ringtones. Okay, you can select the alarm, text, notification, alert, many. Okay, you can select from here the pop also. If you want to select the pop or hip hop, I just tap on the pop. After that, just click on this bell icon. After you have been tap on this bell option, just click on OK. This ringtone will set successfully on your device. Okay, if you want to set the alarm sound, you can set it like that. After that, click on back. Don't click on back right now. Okay, don't forget to tick this one. Okay, the ringtone has finished to set chasing a dream, and the timing also set. Then after that, just tick on this. Here the alarm has been set successfully. Okay, you can see on the down here that alarm has been set. And if you want to off, you just click on this icon like this, the alarm will be set off. And if you want to change from through setting, then just tap on the setting, and you just need to move on the sound and vibration. After that, you just scroll down. Here you can control the alarm sound. Okay, if you want to control. Okay, see, that is that. And friends, if you want to set ringtone for the alarm, there is no option, I think so. You have to move on clock option only. Okay, or here is the option for the alarm sounds. Okay, if you want to set for the alarm sound, you can set from here. And if you want to set offline through offline, then just tap on your profile. After that, you have to move on your ringtones. When you move on ringtones from here, you can set, just click on apply option. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.